It's time to get up and shout. I wonder what we'll learn about Blippi. Activate Blippi Station. It's time to get up and shout. I wonder what we'll learn about Blippi.
Whoa! That was a gigantic truck! You're right, Debo. I think that was a monster truck. I wonder, what makes a monster truck special? Good idea! We can catch up with that monster truck and find out. I'm gonna need monster truck wheels.
Monster truck wheels confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Debo? Whoa, Debo! You have the monster truck wheels attachment? You're like a monster truck. All right, let's ride. Debo the monster truck is ready for adventure.
Crash! Crash!
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is Debo. You really crushed that car.
Hi, Blippi. I'm Megan.
So, Megan, we're here to find out what makes a monster truck special.
Cool. Well, I think the best way to answer your question is to show you what I do.
Great!
You see, I'm a monster truck with big, tall, monster tires. I'm 13 feet tall.
Wow!
Let's do this.
All right!
Huh? Huh? Crash!
We can't bounce as high as you, Megan. And, oh boy, we're almost tipping over.
Well, I have heavy-duty suspension, which is special springs, so I can bounce way up and down and not tumble over. I use them when I race and have competitions.
Cool! Whoa!
Yeah! Welcome aboard, Blippi! Buckle up! It's time to dominate the obstacle course.
Whoa!
Whoa!
Wow! This is awesome! Whoa, how can you turn and zigzag so fast?
I have something called four-wheel steering, so I can turn all four wheels at once, instead of just two wheels like a lot of regular trucks. Us monster trucks are built for short, high-powered bursts of speed.
Whoa, yeah, whee!
I nailed that!
Megan, that was amazing! And I have the answer to my question. What makes a monster truck special? Monster trucks are a special kind of truck with big tires, heavy-duty suspension, and four-wheel steering. Upload answer, Debo. Bye, Megan. It was so cool to ride with you.
Bye, Blippi! Keep on crushing.
Wow, I love our cool Blippi-mobile. You're right, Debo. Our car does have amazing things. I wonder, what were the first cars like? Good idea. We can go way back in time to see one of the first cars. I'm gonna need helicopter blades.
Helicopter blades confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Going back in time! The Blippi-mobile is ready for adventure. We just traveled back over 100 years. I wonder whose house this is.
It's mine. My name is Blippi. Yours?
Hey, it's me, Blippi. Wait, are you my great-grandpa?
I think I am. Come here, future Blippi great-grandson.
Grandpa, we're here to find out what the first cars were like.
Good timing. I'm about to take my first ever automobile for a drive. Hot dog, isn't this a beaut?
Really cool. So, how does it start?
This crank will make sparks that help start the engine.
The engine started! Yeah! It looks like your car can only fit 2 people. And no seatbelts? Seatbelts keep you safe.
Hot dog, seat belts? Okay, let's go. To the top of that hill. We made it! Knew we would! Now down we go!
Oh no, Debo! Whoa! 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 Does the car have any brakes?
It sure does! That was really cool!
Hot dog! And I have the answer to my question. What were the first cars like? You had to turn a crank to start it, cars only had 2 seats, and you pulled a hand lever for the brakes. Upload answer, Debo. Bye, Great-Grandpa Blippi. Happy and safe driving. Yum! These turkey sandwiches are going to be delicious. Oh, what a mess! Hey, look at that fly walk on the ceiling. I wonder, how do flies walk on the ceiling? I'm gonna need wings and spider legs.
Wings, spider legs, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Shrinking down! The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. Hey, Devo! I think I know that fly. It's Horace.
Hi, Blippi! How's it going, pal?
How did you get on the ceiling?
No, it's easy. Watch this. Ta-da!
Wow!
Yes, sirree. The ceiling is my own personal dance floor. Now you try.
Here goes. Whoa! Why can't the Blippi Mobile stand on the ceiling too? What's the trick?
Here's the trick. You've got to stick.
Stick?
You see, my feet make a super sticky glue that helps me stick to the ceiling. Here, try some.
Don't mind if I do. Here goes. Whoa! Oh, now I stick to the ceiling too.
Look at all that mess. Oh,
The glue has us stuck in place.
that's because you're not doing the fly leg twist.
The fly leg twist?
That's right. Fly glue is so strong that we have to push ourselves off the ceiling to walk. Like this.
Like this?
You got it. Now let's hit it. Do the fly leg twist. Do the fly leg twist. Get your feet unstuck when you go like this.
We did it! And I have the answer to my question. How do flies walk on the ceiling? Fly legs have a special sticky glue that keeps them stuck to the ceiling. Upload answer, Debo.
Well, I'm off to eat a little bit of dinner now. See you later, Blippi.
Bye-bye! Whoa, that bird is carrying lots of twigs. Right, Debo. She's bringing them to her nest. I wonder, how do birds build a nest? Good idea! Let's follow that bird and see if she'll show us. I'm gonna need wings and a grabber arm.
Wings, grabber arm, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station! Shrinking down! The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure! Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is Debo. Oh no! What happened to your nest?
Hi, Blippi and Debo. I'm Jody. My nest was damaged in a storm last night. Oh, don't worry, Eggies. Mama's on a mission to rebuild our nest.
We were wondering how you build a nest.
Well, I could use an extra wing to look after my 2 eggs.
Debo would love to egg sit.
Aw, thanks, Debo. Now, Blippi, can you come with me to get supplies? Grass, mud and twigs. They're all near Jake's place, so we'll need to keep him busy. Very unfriendly.
Let's go! Nice birdie! Jody, what's the status of that grass?
Grass acquired. Time to get the mud. Mud is landing in the nest. Now all we need are some twigs from the end of this branch.
This guy again?
Oh, thanks, Debo. Time to build. First, I make a circle with twigs and grass. Then, add more twig circles higher on top of each other.
Whoa! You use your beak to build it.
The mud is like glue, holding the nest together.
Your nest is fantastic, Jody. And I know the answer to my question. How do birds build a nest? Birds like Jody find natural things like grass and twigs, then use mud to hold it all together. Upload answer, Debo.
Bye, Blippi and Debo. Thanks for all your help.
Bye-bye, Jody. Bye, eggs.
Activate Blippi Station! It's time, get up and shout. I wonder what we'll learn about Blippi!
Whoa, I love our cool Blippi Mobile. You're right, Debo. Our car does have amazing things. I wonder, what were the first cars like? Good idea! We can go way back in time to see one of the first cars. I'm gonna need helicopter blades.
Helicopter blades, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Going back in time! The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. We just traveled back over 100 years. I wonder whose house this is.
It's mine. My name is Blippi. Yours?
Hey, it's me, Blippi. Wait, are you my great-grandpa?
I think I am. Come here, future Blippi great-grandson.
Grandpa, we're here to find out what the first cars were like.
Good timing. I'm about to take my first ever automobile for a drive. Hot dog, isn't this a beaut?
Really cool. So, how does it start?
This crank will make sparks that help start the engine.
The engine started! Yeah! It looks like your car can only fit 2 people. And no seatbelts? Seatbelts keep you safe.
Hot dog, seat belts? Okay, let's go. To the top of that hill. We made it! Knew we would! Now down we go!
Oh no! Does the car have any brakes?
It sure does! That was really cool!
Hot dog! And I have the answer to my question. What were the first cars like? You had to turn a crank to start it, cars only had 2 seats, and you pulled a hand lever for the brakes. Upload answer, Debo. Bye, Great-Grandpa Blippi. Happy and safe driving.
Activate Blippi Station! It's time to get up and shout. I wonder what we'll learn about Blippi!
You're right, Debo. This is a kangaroo crossing, and we're in Australia. So, I guess you never know when a kangaroo might, whoa, bounce in. Wow, what a spectacular jump. I wonder, how high can a kangaroo jump? Great idea. We'll go ask that kangaroo. I'm gonna need frog legs for this adventure.
Frog legs, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. We're in the outback, so let's go find a kangaroo.
Hi there, I'm Rooney. What brings you to these parts in your cool-looking car?
Hi, Rooney. It's me, Blippi, and this is Debo. We wanted to see how high a kangaroo can jump.
Pleasure to meet ya. Well, I can jump as high as your mobile here, but I can jump higher.
Whoa, Rooney's hopping pretty high and super fast.
You're pretty fast yourself. You up for a little race, Blippi?
Sounds fun.
All right, let's race around that big sandstone rock down there. We call it Uluru, or Ayers Rock. It's the heart of Australia.
Whoa, so cool.
And the first bag here wins.
You're on, Rooney.
By the way, there may be a fence or two in the way.
Good to know.
Come on, Blippi, up to it. Careful, this fence is 6 feet tall. Good jump, ready to go even higher.
Yeah.
How about a 10-footer?
Whoa.
Yeah! Woohoo!
To the best jumper we've ever seen. And now I have the answer to my question. How high can a kangaroo jump? Kangaroos can jump up to 10 feet off the ground. Upload answer, Debo.
That was fun, Blippi. Whew, gotta cool down. That's why I'm licking my arm. It's a kangaroo thing. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Activate Blippi Station! It's time to get up and shout. I wonder what we'll learn about Blippi!
What's better than a delicious piece of fruit? You're right, Debo. Vegetables are yummy too. I wonder, what's the difference between fruits and vegetables? Super suggestion! We'll go into that garden to figure it out. I'm gonna need wings and a grabber arm.
Wings, grabber arm, confirmed.
Okie dokie, artichoke. Activate Blippi Station. Shrinking down! The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. All right, we're in a community garden where all kinds of fruits and vegetables grow. Look, there's one right now.
Step right up. You're the next contestants on Slim Cucumber Certified Fresh Game Show. Fruit or vegetable? Tell us your names.
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is Debo.
Now, Blippi and Debo, a quick review before we start. All fruits have a pit or seeds in them and grow on a plant with flowers.
Fruits have pits or seeds and always flowers. Got it.
And vegetables are different. There are root and leaves.
Got that too.
Excellent! Let's play! Tell me, Blippi, is this carrot a fruit or...
Ooh, the carrot is a vegetable because it's a root and has leaves.
That's right! But can Blippi go 2 for 2? So tell me, is this tomato a fruit or a vegetable?
This is tough. Okay, a tomato grows from a plant, but it has seeds. It's also a vegetable?
Oh, sorry, tomato is a fruit. Now, your final question, Blippi. Can you tell me if this strawberry is a fruit or vegetable?
Strawberry is a fruit.
Yes, strawberry is a fruit, and you gave 2 correct answers, which means this trophy is all yours!
Wow, thanks, Mr. Slim. And I also have the answer to my question. What's the difference between fruits and vegetables? Vegetables are roots and leaves, and fruits have flowers and a pit or seeds. Upload answer, Debo. Bye-bye, Mr. Slim.
Congrats to you, Blippi. That's our game. I'm Slim the Cucumber, and by the way, I'm a fruit. Tune in next time for our special guest, Madam Mango, on Fruit or Vegetable.
Activate Blippi Station! It's time to get up and shout. I wonder what we'll learn about Blippi!
I see the moon, stars, and is that a planet? Oh, it is, Tabs. Whoa! There's a whole area out there in space with the planets and the sun. It's called the solar system. I wonder, what planets are in the solar system? Good idea, Tabs. Let's go into outer space. I'm gonna need a rocket booster.
Rocket booster confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Now it's time to get planet size. Growing up! Ha ha ha! Right, Tabs, we're in space. Whoa, it's a meteor. Hey, it's me, Blippi.
Welcome to outer space. I'm Mary the Meteor.
I'm here to find out about all the planets in our solar system.
There are 8 planets in our solar system. Let's meet them, shall we? Closest to the blazing sun are the 2 smallest and hottest planets, Mercury and Venus.
Whoa, that is hot.
We should go. The 3rd planet is your home, Earth.
Hi, Mom.
Then there's Mars, the red planet. Mars is red because it's covered in rusty soil. Achoo!
That's a lot of dust.
Come on! Next up is the giant Jupiter, bigger than all the planets combined. He doesn't scare me, though. Whoa! We should go!
We sure are a long way from the sun now.
Welcome to Saturn and her rings.
Whoa, they look beautiful. Can we get closer?
Of course!
Whoa! Whoa! Yeah, whee!
Wait! We haven't finished yet.
On your left is Uranus, billions of miles from the sun, pretty cold.
Now let's hear it for the furthest, windiest, and coldest planet, Neptune!
Whoa! I have the answer to my question. What planets are in our solar system? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Upload answer, Tabs. Thanks for the tour, Mary. That was wild.
See ya, Blippi. Time for a shower. A meteor shower!
Bye, Mary the Meteor.
Activate Blippi Station! It's time to get up and shout. I wonder what we'll learn about Blippi!
Whoa, Tabs! Look at this amazing rainforest. You're right. I bet all kinds of interesting animals are in there. I wonder, what kind of animals live in a rainforest? I'm gonna need spider legs and the grabber arm.
Spider legs, grabber arm, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station! The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. Wow! This place is so green! They must get a lot of rain here.
Yes, we do actually.
Hey! It's me, Blippi. This is Tabs.
Hello, I'm Bi, the giant panda bear. Glad to meet you.
We want to know what kind of animals live in a rainforest. Can you show us around?
Yes, okay, but I am meeting my sister for lunch and I'm always late, so I'd like to be there first for once.
We won't be long.
Super! Let's go see what we can find.
Yeah! Thanks, Bi.
I do get a little hungry before lunch, so could you help me collect some bamboo on the way? Just for a snack.
Sure. Whoa! This bamboo is as tall as a house.
The juiciest shoots are at the top. Would you mind?
Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
Lovely!
Whoa, look! There's a monkey.
He's a golden monkey. Hi, Fred. Sorry, Fred. All pandas love bamboo. It's all we ever eat, actually.
Not even ice cream?
Not even ice cream, unless it was bamboo flavor. Could you get me a little more bamboo? All this chewing makes me terribly hungry.
Sure thing.
There's a nice stalk just there.
Whoa! Little red bugs.
Oh, it's Reese and Fiona. They're red bamboo weevils.
Hi, buggies.
Oh no! I'm going to be late again. Sorry, we need to go. Oh, not again. I'm sorry, but I was helping my new friends Blippi and Tabs.
Hello.
Could I possibly share some of your bamboo, please?
Thanks for the tour, Bi. You really helped me answer my question. What kind of animals live in the rainforest? Golden monkeys, red beetles, and giant panda bears who love eating bamboo. Upload answer, Tabs. I think it's time for a snack of our own. See you later. Bye-bye, Bi.
Activate Blippi Station! It's time to get up and shout. I wonder what we'll learn about Blippi!
Wow, that's a pretty tall mountain. I'm sure there are way taller mountains, Tabs. I wonder, what's the tallest mountain in the world? Great idea, Tabs. We'll go to the Himalayas and find out. I'm gonna need wings and the grabber arm.
Wings, grabber arm, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. Let's go find the tallest mountain in the world. Woohoo! Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is Tabs. We're looking for the tallest mountain.
I'm climbing it right now. Hi, I'm Betty the Yeti. I was just headed to the top. That's where the best snow is. Nothing worse than old snow.
Can I tag along? I want to see what it's like on top of the tallest mountain.
Of course, but get ready. This mountain is super tall. Woo! Ice!
We're up so high, and it's much colder up here. Thanks, Tabs. I love hot cocoa. Whoa! That was a close one. Hey, it's the mountaintop. Yeah, we made it. Oh, whoa, it's so windy up here.
I got you, Blippi.
So, what is the name of this mountain?
It's Tamalangma! Oh, you call it Mount Everest.
You're right, Tabs. I have the answer to my question. What's the tallest mountain in the world? It's Mount Everest. It's 29,035 feet tall. Upload answer, Tabs.
And the snow up here is delicious. Snow burps.
Have a good snow snack. Bye, Betty the Yeti.
Bye, Blippi.